What's up, guys? Newton's first law states that an object at rest stays at rest and thus acted on by an outside force,
otherwise called as the law of inertia.
Object in motion stays in motion unless acted on by an outside force.
An unbalanced force or net force causes an object to accelerate. The force and acceleration must be in the same direction. When Austin steps his foot on the gas, the car accelerates. Newton's third law states, every force has an equal and opposite force.
in a real-life scenario of two cars pulling each other on a rope like this, if this truck was to pull that way on this rope, if this Jeep was not going forward and accelerating, it would be pulled backwards by the truck. And the same would be vice versa if the Jeep was pulling that and that was not moving. But if two people are driving both cars going the same speed in both directions, the rope will then tighten up, tension on the rope will be caused, and the cars will start to spin on their wheels because the forces are equal. But let's say the truck with the bigger V8 engine starts to drive and the small Jeep with the V6 Jeep engine drives as well in that direction, two unknown speeds, unknown variables. The truck will then pull that way because it has a greater acceleration force than this Jeep. And that is a real life scenario of Newton's third law demonstrating this right here.
Austin's foot is on the gas pedal, which is causing acceleration. Newton's second law states, an unbalanced force, or net force, causes an object to accelerate. The force and acceleration must be in the same direction.
Newton's third law states that every force has an equal and opposite force. When the Jeep hits the curb, it puts a force on the curb, and the curb pushes back with its own force, causing the Jeep to stop.